Hello folks, in an effort to make some longer videos and make them less tiny, I'm going to do a whole lot of stuff in one video, and then probably this week I'll probably as my spiel of million videos slows down, I'm going to make longer videos and probably keep them to 20 or 25 minutes each. And I'll try to edit out the boring parts. If they're really boring, I'll just make them really short. But I got a few projects to work on, which should be fun. Right now I have this. If you watch my weekly update, you'll know that this is part of it. This bag. What's in the bag? Let me put this bag in. First thing I got is this little, can't see here, 16.5 cranked countersink. Why did I buy a countersink? Wait, I'll show you. Well, apparently, if I can find my other one down here. In a previous video, I put this toolbox down here. Where is my countersink? Where was it? Apparently, these things, I don't know if you can see this. Let me put this lower. All right, that should be low enough, maybe. There's my light. My head's cut off. Might look like my head's on fire. But anyway, I picked up this countersink. Not because I really, let me turn this off, Chris. Not because I really needed it. It was in my list of like wants. And it's one of these little spinny mini. Well, here's the thing. My kids wanted a ninja costume. It was my daughter's birthday. So when you go on Amazon, it's always like, oh yeah, you got $5 more and you can get free shipping. Well, I think it was $7 more I got free shipping. So I was like, let's pick the cheapest thing in there. And this was the cheapest thing in there. It's a little, it's a little countersink thing. So I'm guessing it goes in here. And it's for doing the little squiggly wiggly thing there, see? Put it in your countersink and you can just go, oh yeah, like round and round. Anyway, I don't have any in the countersink. Let's try this. There, see? It goes like that. You just put it in the hole and does it work? I have no idea. Is it any good? I haven't the slightest clue. It's sharp as hell though. Really sharp. So I bought on top of buying a ninja suit, I bought a ninja countersink. But it's hey, it's another tool for free shipping. And when in reality it's more like I paid the shipping because I bought this to get free shipping. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, but I mean it's useful. Something it's useful if you consider the fact that remember that word, consider. I take full responsibility if everybody in the world starts saying, I consider it. So, considering the fact that I already own one of these ones, not sure how to get this out of here, but, so, I don't know. Anyway, I'll put that in the drawer here. Easy accessible. I think I have another one too somewhere. I have a Milwaukee countersink also. We'll ditch the blue. Also in the bag of shame, I have some Irwin speed bore bits. I don't know if you, what are they for? Woodworking. These things are, they're about $14 a bit each in Canada. I think I paid $14 for the 3-pack. What for? I'm doing electrical, yay! So anyway, that's pretty boring. Your regular run-of-the-mill things. I also picked up some cheap, I keep forgetting what arbor. These are DeWalt 3-inch grinding discs for my 3-inch, my mini cutoff tool. I keep remembering to hold it there. Normally when I get a comment, I go through and watch my video again and I realize, oh yeah, when you go like this, you can't really see it. So I try to hold it there longer. I only picked up 5 of them. They were $2 each. And I've been looking on Amazon for a much better replacement. Or not a better replacement, but something that's about comparable that doesn't cost between $2 and $10 a disc. Plus, Lowe's and all these other places are not really good places to get these things. Because they're not, how many people do metal fabrication and shop at Lowe's? I also picked up one of my all-time favorites, another, what do you call it? I bought a mini Milwaukee vice grip. See, oh, imagine that, I bought vice grips. So along with having this, I now have this. And like I've always stated before, what's the best way to remove zip ties? Vice grips. Put on the little block and just do it the proper way. As I eat my words. Squeeze the block and then turn it. See? Zip ties. Easy to remove. I honestly, I don't really think they, if you look at them, look, I don't know if you notice it, but the finish is, this one's weird. This one's like the vice grip finish, and this one's like a really shiny metallic finish. So I don't know if they changed it again or what. They always change stuff. It sucks. But anyway, I thought it was cool. I'm not, this looks a little, that bolt looks on the back, looks a little puny, but it's got the little nice hook. So anyway, folks, I'm collecting Milwaukee vice grips now. Locking pliers, sorry. So I don't have very many Milwaukee locking pliers. Had a few. So anyway, and to top it off, just because I bought another Irwin, this, right, let me, like I said again, best way to get rid of zip ties. I bought another Irwin, what is this, 7WR. This one, because actually I think they're not bad. They are just quick release. A little small one. Why did I buy none of these? Well, normally when I collect vice grips, I'm trying to get at least 4 pairs. Because, you know, 4 pairs is a good number. And about, I don't know, maybe 15 or 18 years ago when I started buying tools and realized, oh, I was making some metal thing back in the day. And I had like 2 pairs of vice grips, a Craftsman toolbox with nothing in it, and that's it. And I realized I was doing some crazy metal thing, and I realized, you know, these things come in handy. I should have at least, like, you know, my number I came up with was 4. It might increase to maybe like 10 each, maybe over the years. I'm not sure. So who knows? Anyway, so I have that. Also, in my little gaggle and baggle of tricks here, I picked up some more Siemens breakers. You'll probably see these in most of my videos lately. These things are, they're around 15 bucks for a Siemens 15 amp breaker, Siemens panel. They're around 15 bucks in Canada on the reserve here. Home Depot between 15 and 20 plus the tax. Lowe's in the US, these are $7 and I think they're 20 cents each. If you add the exchange, I save 5 bucks. So far I figured buying, I have 15 breakers, 15 times 5 is $75. I saved 75, 85, 95 bucks buying them in the US. That includes the exchange. And when I go to Lowe's, I get the 10% veterans discount. So I don't pay. I pay what, 6 something? So it's a good deal. And what's weird is the 14-2 standard electrical wire is more expensive in the US, and the armored industrial cable is about $100 cheaper in the US than over here. It's, I don't know. I don't get it, but I got breakers. I got one other thing which I'm probably going to buy. This thing, and we'll show you. I'm probably going to buy one at Harbor Freight because I've seen them. I bought this thing because I've seen them. I never knew where to get them. And yes, I dropped the, it's one of those impact tool set. Not really sure how the hell you impact. I think you hit it with a hammer. Yeah, you beat it with a mallet. Craftsman impact tool set. I'm gonna need a knife for this one. I have a knife here. Where's all my knives? Oh yeah, I put them in the box. Knives go in the box. I like this little thing down here. Anyway, I think I paid 14 bucks for this thing. I've seen these on many videos, and I don't watch any YouTube videos. Liar. Well, before I had a YouTube channel, I sit there at work and watch videos. And honestly, some of you guys that I talk to on other channels who probably watch this, I watched some of your videos and I've got a lot of interesting things. And it's, as much as I make a lot of dumb YouTube videos, some people have some really cool ideas and cool tools. And some people own way too many hammers. You know, there's a couple of hammer nuts out there. So anyway, that comes with the device. To say on here, right? Let me check here. Going blind. It says CRV. It says Craftsman. CMM T14104. Right or left? Yes, it's right. Guess it's adjustable. Anyway, it comes with this little set here, and then it comes with this. You can see the little Craftsman logo on it, and I guess this is the, I don't know how the hell, how do you adjust it? Oh, okay, so that turns, weird. How the hell do you frickin' this? Well, what's the instructions here? Seat the appropriate bit into the stuck screw or bolt. Strike the top impact tool with a hammer while applying downward pressure and a turning force in the desired direction. So you have to turn it in the desired direction yourself, I guess. Weird. That's cool. I don't know. What is this? Okay, it's a little band. Okay, that goes that way. And does this go this way? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. It only goes counterclockwise. Oh, okay. So if you turn it this way, it goes to my left. And if you turn it this way, it goes to my right. See, there's a little lefty, righty, goosey, loosey thing on there. But I don't know. I figured beat with a hammer. Let's see. Well, I mean, it's pointing there. Bits stay in pretty good. Not bad. I could have used the flat one about 50 times. There's 2 flat ones and 3 Phillips. I don't know why they give you 3 Phillips. Like, why would you give 3 Phillips? I wonder though if you put this on I know it's kind of stupid, but you could put for small bolts, put it on there, put a little mini impact thing on there. I'm kind of dumb. Use an impact wrench, the same thing. So anyway, that's pretty much all I got for you. This, it's going to come in handy. The other thing I would think you'd put it on put a bump on it so it doesn't roll off your tool bench. That'd be a nice idea. Seems like a nice tool. I want to see it because Harbor Freight has one for I think $10 also. I want to see what the difference is. I want to see if this one is made the same as Harbor Freight, because if you look at a lot of things that Harbor Freight does, either they're an exact ripoff of something else, or somebody in China is making it the same factory going, oh, we'll make you one with no standards, and we'll make some for you with semi-standards, and we'll make some to another company with full standards, because I don't know. Anyway, that should be it for now. That's all I got for you. If you keep watching, I will be making a few things with the magnets this week, which I'm pretty sure some of you will like. The thing I'm making is a grinder holder. They only cost $20, but it's probably gonna take me 2 hours to make. Save me $20, and oh well. I don't know. It's worth more. The the enjoyment of making it or saving the 20 bucks, which I could just order it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to wheeze the juice on a bunch of the buttons on here and join my channel. And I will try to make somewhat better videos and longer videos and do. I still got I got a bunch of stuff I want to fix. So I will end that here, since I like to talk a lot in my videos. Apparently, I never shut up. But hey, I don't like silent videos because I can't stop talking for more than 1 second. So if you like that, thanks for watching. Toodles. Have a great one.